to, pero dapat careful ha, everyone ha. Are you guys excited? Dito, bibigyan namin kayo ng gift certificate as well. Now, if you are all ready, instead of just playing with your laptop, you should try this at home. Just ask mommy to buy colored chalk. Perfect. Good job. Ang galing. Oh, jump, jump. There you go. You go back. Oh, you jump. Sorry, nakikiko. Yan. That's it. That's it. Almost there. Almost. Go. Skip. No. Good job. Let me ask one. Which one do you like best? The kadang-kadang or this one, peacock?
Both of them po.
Both of them. Perfect. Here. Let me ask someone from here. Anak, ano ang gusto mo? Piko or yung kadang-kadang kanina? Ano ang mas gusto mo?
Piko.
Piko! Ang gusto. Piko. Bakit piko, anak? Bakit piko?
Mas hindi mahirap.
Mas hindi mahirap. Masaya lang, ano po? Alright, next game. Diretso po dito sa kabila. Ang susunod na laro ay tumbang preso. Tumbang preso.
Careful.
There we go. Next.
Careful.
Oh, wow. Skipping. I love it. Next. Go. Hang on. Nawala sa belo. Go, girl. Super. Good job. Who wants to play batayan? No more? Retired. Partner, mommy! But this is how you do it! Perfect! This is perfect! Thank you! Next! Oh, no. We don't do that here. We take turns. Go. Yeah, that's it. Instagram, samahan nyo na rin ang pag-follow and like sa aming accounts. And also, don't forget also that every time kayo mag-post, hashtag Paseo. Taga Salong, gusto namin makita ang mga picture. Oh, alam sa local pag-ubadupig pa. Paseo Outlets. You can also visit us on our TikTok account at Paseo Outlets. Thank you so much. Oh, salamat. Is that PKM? Alright, and that is part of our